Today, I'm going to show you how to gap a spark plug. Real easy with one of these. So come over here, and I'm going to pull these out, and I just want to make sure they gap right. Now, a lot of modern vehicles use really high-end plugs like, oh, I don't know, iridium or whatever. And these are just basic plugs. And this has a nice little burn, which I'm happy to see. It has that little brown on top. No sooting really, or like look at here. This one actually looks better than this one. Look how beautiful that is. That's a great burn. To find out what my gap was, I went to AutoZone.com, typed in my vehicle make, model, and year, and then I typed in spark plug. And right away, it will tell me what gap is supposed to be. And no, I'm not getting paid by AutoZone to say that, but if they want to, that'd be great. Anyway, so here's an AutoZone. I went to AutoZone and got this gap tool, and it's 0.044. And I will show you how to do that. You see 0.02, 0.03, 0.04. I need to gap this at 0.044. So here's 0.040, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will make sure that it slides pretty close to right there. And how I do that, here's my spark plug. Get it in here. Oh, it's not gap right. And so this is perfect. Okay, so how do I give it the clearance? Take this, slide it under. See how it slid under right above the electrode? Okay, and then I just pry up a little bit. Here, feel it give. All right. And then let's try to slide it back where it should be. So 0.0 is getting there, just a little bit more. I'm going to do that again. And just pick up a little bit on it. And this will help my vehicle run better, right? And okay, 0.041, 42, I'm almost there. Pry up a little bit more on it. And should be right about it. There it is, 0.0404. And it's not going to go any further. So now I know that's gap right. And then all I do is put it back into the engine and torque it down, and it's going to be perfect. So that's what I'm going to do with all of these. Like I said, a lot of modern engines won't need to be gapped. It'll come pre-gapped, but this is just, this is actually OE recommended. Just I think this is just a basic copper plug, and you have to gap them. Now there's different types of these. This is so cheap. I think it was 50 cents, and it works fine. You can put it on your keychain if you want to do that, or like me, I put it in my toolbox and lose it. So for Mailman Mechanic, I'll see you at the mailbox.